So it is a Holden RG Colorado. This was the first of the first RGs, 2012. This is actually built May 2012, so very first one that kind of they started to roll out with the with these things. I'm Brent Westbrook from BAW Automotive, owner and operator. That's good old four-wheel drive super centre for now, which I am going to be running some steady gear, but they're out of stock of everything, so we're getting there with that. The winch is thank you to four-wheel drive super centre again, but I do have a 12,000 pound dual speed coming from DriveTech 4x4. They're one of our suppliers, so that'll be going in soon as well. But these bad boys here, this is the Axis Ranger range, biggest, baddest antenna on the market, 4 dB, 8 dB. They're brilliant, and like I said, they're just big and bad, so that's what we went with. Just running bilsten 2-inch lift with King springs. So yeah, nothing too out of the crazy world or anything like that for me, so it does the trick, takes me where I need to go, and gives me the clearance. I mean, you know, high is always nicer, but for IFS front, I went with that. Big bad clear views, we're a stockist, so naturally went with those. They are really great. This is actually the first time I've used them on my own vehicle, and fitted plenty, but they've been awesome. You can see so much better and so much clearer. I know that's a bit tacky, but hey, it is what it is, so it's really cool. I love them. Side steps are Dominator 4x4. Actually, where I've sold these, so they'll be going, and we are running fat bars gear, so I'll have a set of fat bar angles on here in the not too distant future. Rhino roof rack, running a Iron Man awning, and with my Mad logo over the top of it, obviously, as you can see. This is a Pioneer tradie setup, so it does have the sides on either side. Great rack. I mean, I've had 4 Tyers up there, 33s, and loved it all the way home from Toowoomba. So, alright, tyres and rims. We got a 285 75/16 on a dynamic steel soft 8. It is a 16x8 rim with a +20 offset to keep them in under the guard, so boys in blue don't give me too much drama. So nice fit. Running with the Iron Man bar on the back. I had a look around for a lot of bars, and this one's really tidy, really sleek, and hard wearing. So I basically went with the Iron Man bar. We do these as well, so went that way. Running the TJM airtech. I've had this on for, well, years now, 3 or 4 years. Great intake, really good intake. This is going though, I've sold the whole guard. It's going, like I said, we're doing fat bars stuff, so Paul from Fat Bars is throwing us a Stano snorkel, which we're going to be fitting to this really soon as well, so stay tuned.
Got my niggas.